I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing, install, and styling of this 28-inch full 13x6 wig from Cheetah Beauty Hair. And let me tell you, it's very, very rare you find a full 13x6 wig these days. And Cheetah Beauty Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig and see what we're working with today. So here is the bag. It says Cheetah Beauty on it and Cheetah Beauty Hair. So just a nice little black bag. Let's see what we have in here. Should I be a little shorter? I think that looks good, right? Okay, we're gonna sit the wig to the side first and then look at everything else. So you have a nice little lavender bonnet, very cutesy, nice color. They give you a headband, a Cheetah Beauty headband. Here's a flyer where they just thank you for choosing them, and they have all of their social media handles. You get a pair of lashes, a little makeup brush set. That's interesting. Let me show you all the brushes. Here they are, and a wig cap. So let's put all of that to the side and go ahead and look at this wig because I know you all are ready to see this wig. So, whoa, this is a 28-inch burgundy wig. Let me show you all the color. It's giving OG Ariel. Is what it's giving. Like, so here it is. As you can see, she is a little more deep wave. Like, once you start raking these waves out, it's gonna be super duper cutesy. Love it, love it, love it. And it is 28 inches, so it is pretty long, you guys. Let me show you all the inside of this wig. We really should do like a cute little updo because we have a real 13x6. Like, you don't get a real 13x6 too often. Like, look at that, you guys. And it does have an elastic band, so this is very big head and little head friendly. So that is fantastic. And on the back, there is a card on how to care for the hair. And this is virgin hair, okay? I see you, Cheetah, I see you. So let's go ahead and take this off and we're gonna begin working on the actual install of this wig because I know we all wanna see the wig on, so let's give the people what they want. And honestly, that includes me. And I feel like since this wig is like a real 13x6, we should do like some kind of cute little updo. I'm over here trying to turn on my hot comb because we're gonna need that. But the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray this with a little bit of lace tint. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and put on this wig now. Okay, bam. So let's go ahead and kind of cut off this lace. I think I might go ahead and just cut off all the lace so we can really see what we're doing and get into the nitty gritty. Let's see. So I always like to create 2 slits at the temples. Firstly, when I'm cutting off the lace, so a slit right there and a slit right here. Okay, and let's actually go ahead and cut off this lace. So I'm using an eyebrow razor. And I'm just gonna kind of cut all that off. So the ear is free on this side. As you can see, my ear can poke out. So now let's go ahead and do this side. Okay, that is cutesy, very, very cutesy. So I did not pluck it or anything yet. We're gonna do the little plucking towards the end. Any kind of light plucking we do. Okay, so we are just gonna go in with some lace spray, kind of pull the wig back. We're gonna put the wig somewhere here. So that's where we're gonna spray. And we're gonna do 3 layers. Okay, now let's do layer 2. Okay, and finally, let's do layer 3. I don't want my brows to just come up too much because sometimes when I be placing my wig, it just pulls my brows all the way up. So I know I want to do like a little pigtail type of style almost. So we're gonna go ahead and add the baby hair at the temples. So let's do that. This wig is gonna start coming together. Don't worry, you guys. This is just straight out the package, lazy girl guide for laying your wig, honestly. That's what it's given, lazy girl guide. And let's kind of thin out the baby hair just a little bit because we don't want super thick baby hair. And I feel like I actually have a problem of cutting my baby hair too short, so I made sure not to cut it short. So it might be a little long right now. We'll see. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do this side and blow dry. Okay, so we're gonna do a part down the middle, first thing. And we wanna slick this hair down. We're gonna hot comb it to make sure it stays where we want it to be. Oh, that's hot, hot, hot. That is actually very, very hot. Okay, bam. Gotta add a little makeup to the part to make the part just pop. But let's go ahead and put these pigtails up. Okay, let's go ahead and start on our first pigtail. So as you can see, I can still part it over there. Like, I love a good real 13x6 because there's not many real 13x6 wigs out there anymore. Not at all. So yeah. Honestly, I might do little buns. I think that would be even cuter with the length of this hair. So we'll do like, make them little buns. So let's go ahead and do that. Little space buns almost type things. I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's keep making buns. So I'll just wrap this up. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but this looks really, really cute. Let me fix this side over here. I can kind of see it sticking up. But yeah, that's really cute. I like my little bun. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the second one. Right here. Bam, very cute, very cute, very cute. And bam, you got two little cute space buns. This looks really, really cutesy. So you could wet it and do more so that kind of look. If you want it to be like a wet look, kind of like wet and wavy type vibe. Or you can keep it like this. It's totally up to you. But that was really, really cute and quick, you guys. Like, it is eating. I do like this little fun space bun type of look. It's perfect for any kind of festival. Like, that's what it's giving. This is very much festival. It's a nice length, as you can see. I mean, it's still pretty, the hair is still pretty curled up, and it goes like to my butt. So it honestly touches the top of my butt, you guys. So that is pretty nice for a 28-inch deep wave wig. But yes, this is it. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box, but have a great day, you guys. Bye.